Hi guys, good to see you again. My name is Oleg, I'm a licensed broker with Bellevue Commons, and today in this episode I will highlight June market update because data is available for months of May, and we'll show you guys a lot of interesting stats, so stay tuned with me. A lot of things happening right now. As you guys know, Fed's pumping $4.5 billion a day to boost the economy, and that's actually working. Stock market rebound and come back to the level it was before pandemic, and who can believe it, 6 months ago America's going to lose 35 million jobs over a few weeks of COVID-19, comparable to 8 million jobs was lost in Great Recession. We live in very unprecedented time. So stay tuned with me and let's dive into this market update. And let's start with the Eastside. Eastside real estate market proves to be resilient. Pending sales down about 24.5% or 253 homes in months of May, and we had 778 homes sold in 2020 comparable to 883 homes sold in 2019, and active listings was about half from the year ago. We have 825 active listings in March of May 2020 comparable to 1567 listings in May of 2019. We need more inventory. That's what's really happening. The Seattle Times headline article for Northwest MLS statistics completely left a different impression from the buyers in the marketplace. And let's go to Seattle's market. And what's happening in Seattle right now, through the month of May, we have steady increase of pending sales through the stay-at-home order, but listings have not. And we have about, market went down with pending sale about 12%, and we have 799 homes sold in May of 2020 versus 903 homes were sold in May of 2019, and active listings were off for about 41% in Seattle as well. Medium close sale price down about 3%, 31% of the all homes in Seattle selling above asking price, and 69% of the all homes selling less than 15 days on the market. And let's dive in together to specific cities where the market went down, the market went up. And I put it on the screen for you guys. You can see with me together. The market went up the most this time in West Bellevue for about 12.1%, but with crazy medium sale price $2.6 million for the property, and we have about 92 homes sold in May 2020. But the most on the east side homes sold in east of Lake Sammamish, we have record of 597 homes sold with medium sale price $910,000, and market went up there about 3%. Market went down in a couple of locations like Central Seattle, Bacon Hill, Georgetown, pretty much everywhere like you guys can see on the screen. Market went up similar to the year ago. Also, I found for you very interesting data from Fannie Mae website, and Fannie Mae is a government agency who back up or guarantee secondary mortgage markets for low and moderate income borrowers, and they posted in months of May very interesting data. You guys can see it yourself as well. They posted National Housing Survey key indicators. You guys can see on the screen percentage of Americans who's thinking it's a good time to buy or good time to sell. We have right now 52% of Americans who's thinking it's a good time to buy, and only 32% of Americans who's thinking it's a good time to sell. It's huge disproportion comparable to the years ago, and that's why we have very disbalanced market right now. Also, they have data about employment. They stated 75% of Americans not concerned about job loss, and only 24% of Americans concerned. They have very interesting data. People who are renting right now, if they move, they're thinking 66% of those people going to buy property, and only 28% of people who are renting right now going to rent property again. New construction sales has been declined 47 to 57% in our area. And also, I'd like to put on the screen for you guys, you can see different sectors who was hardest hit with COVID-19. And well, let's talk about this a little bit right now. The most hit was a utility sector, informational sector, finance and insurance sector, educational services, healthcare, most dentists, retail trades, art and entertainment. The last sector to recover going to be retail trade, arts and entertainment, and accommodation and food services. That's what's happening. So, and that's going to be reflect our real estate market as well. To wrap up, this recovery could happen very quickly in most employment sectors that drive home ownership. They have a huge spike in demand, and simply people will spend more time in their homes, and housing becomes very essential in the future. That's it for today. I hope you guys like this episode. Smash like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, you see my number on the screen, reach out to me. I will be love to be your real estate resource. And on that, guys, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next month. Bye now.